well. So I'm making it because I'm very fond of academic tables, and I used to find it so difficult to work through making these tables. It was so much time taking, but so that I always wish that I had something or would automatically format these tables. Now I have one. So I'm hoping that students may also find this useful. So please check it out. Hopefully the instructions are not too difficult.
Okay, let's see how to make an APA table, how an APA table looks like. So here we have a table with some independent variables and their measure of this is the measure of central tendency. This is the proportions. So basic univariate analysis, and we want to make an APA table out of this. So first things I like to do is select the table, no border. I like to keep the grid lines on so that I can see the invisible rows and columns. I insert two rows above, merge the low row, merge the low row, merge the bottom row. So here I type the first row in bold. In the second row I type with italics the title of the table. Okay, now we may have some superscript here. Say one, we will put top border here. And we will have this and some footnote and some note. Normal font. We want this to be in slightly smaller font. Okay. And we want a top bottom and a bottom border here. And bottom border here. And we want it all over. And we want this to be central aligned. We want all this to be central aligned. We want this part to be left center aligned. Now this part the shortcut will not make for you. For the completion sake, I am doing it. Now we can see the APA table look once we remove the grid lines. So this is what typically it looks like. We can make it look even a little more better with a little more spacing. Yeah, okay, that's it. But it all involves a lot of click work. It takes a lot of time to make these things. So that is why we need a shortcut. And I always thought